Hello, my name is Jessica, and I'm going to be doing some demonstrations of projects in the Ground Circuit Junior. The projects I will be demonstrating are projects 27 to 31. So that's that. And if you decide to get this project, I would recommend that you read 6 pages of safety instructions before starting. So back to this. The project 27 is called Clap Sounds. The objective of this project is to build a police siren and other sounds that are controlled by clapping your hands. Now we'll put the battery thing in here. You know it. Our speaker. Wait, no. Right there. Slide switch. Music. R1. Our number 6 circuit. Our number 5 circuit. And number 4 circuit. That's that part. Our WC, a whistle chip. Our number 3 circuit. Number 3 circuit. And lots of number 2s on there. There. And one more thing. And we're done. Put in the batteries. And it's really quiet, but it's like a siren. I don't know.
Well, it stopped it.
But how to stop it?
I don't know. Maybe clap over.
No. Wait. Maybe I have to
Oh,
do
so if clapping isn't working, you can tap it.
Where do I tap it?
The whistle chip.
I tap the whistle chip.
It says to tap the whistle chip. Why is it not working?
It's supposed to clap. Tap it. I did it.
Oh.
Start it again.
Can I try? Oh, okay, you have to press right on the hole.
You have to touch it.
No, you don't. Look, you just tap it. Oh, I didn't even touch it.
No, it stops at the end. Okay, it was working.
Oh, it worked for a second.
Okay, it did work.
There we go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So now, project 28, more clap sounds. And the objective is to show how ICs can do many jobs. Okay, so K, X, Y for Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I need this jumper wire.
But we don't have any more?
No, it says to use the jumper wire.
Okay, there we go.
And I put it on these two. And put that over there. And make sure it doesn't, this wire does not go over the battery thing. It's very bad. And now, by adding this is going to make it sound like a machine gun. I didn't know machine guns sound like that.
Maybe an alien machine gun. Try and make it turn off and on. There we go.
Okay, so now we have to remove this and make a connection using our jumper wire between these two things. And now it's going to sound like a fire engine.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
Okay. Wait, we just did Project 29, which is more clap sounds number 2.
Cute.
Now we're going to do Project 30, which is more clap sounds number 3. So remove the T and U one and make one between U and Z. So down here. And now it's going to sound like an ambulance. Not an ambulance.
Oh boy.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing Project 31, which is more clap sounds number 4. So we remove this one.
Oh, you forgot to turn it off.
And take off this one and make one here and here and turn it on. And this is gonna sound like a familiar song but with static. So happy birthday with static.
There we go.
Okay, so thank you for watching Project 27 to 31 with Snap Circuit Junior.